How do you say thank you in Ireland? When you are in Ireland and want to express gratitude, you might be wondering how to say thank you. Understanding this aspect of Irish social etiquette can enhance your experience. In Ireland, saying thank you is not just polite, it reflects a deep-rooted cultural appreciation for kindness and generosity. The most common way to say thank you in Irish is go raibh maith agat. This phrase translates to may you have goodness. It is used when thanking one person. If you want to thank a group, you would say go raibh maith agaibh, which is the plural form. The pronunciation for both phrases is quite approachable, with go raibh maith agat sounding like gurruvi ma aguth and go raibh maith agaibh as gurruvi ma agwibh. For those moments when you feel extra grateful, you can use go raibh mille maith agat. This means may you have 1,000 goodnesses. The pronunciation for this phrase is gurruvi mille maith aguth. Another way to express deep appreciation is by saying mille buíochas, which means 1,000 thanks. This is pronounced as mille buíochas. In everyday conversations, especially in casual settings like pubs or cafes, you might hear people saying thanks a million or simply thanks a mil. These expressions are friendly and show a relaxed approach to gratitude. You may also hear cheers or sound in informal settings. Sound can also mean something or someone is good or nice, adding a layer of warmth to your interactions. When you are traveling in Ireland, using these phrases can make your interactions more enjoyable and show respect for the culture. Whether you are in a restaurant, shop, or receiving help from someone, a simple go raibh maith agat can go a long way. If you find yourself in a pub, saying cheers or thanks a million will help you blend in with the locals. Remember, expressing gratitude is an essential part of Irish social customs. It reflects not only politeness but also a genuine appreciation for the kindness of others. So, the next time you want to say thank you in Ireland, you will be well prepared with these phrases.